What's up, everyone? So today is the actual day where I post my car videos. I'm freaking excited. I was thinking every day, ever since my one video got so many views, I was just like, dang, dude, like, I can't believe this is happening. Like, I never had that much subscribers, blah, blah, blah. And I know it's kind of weird to say, but, I'm just excited because I want to form a community with you guys, and I want to make the best car videos I can make. I don't ever want to steer from the path of, like, being quote-unquote YouTube famous, or like, being too cocky, or like, now that he has this much money, he just buys whatever, and he doesn't listens to his fans. But no, it's not gonna be like that. I'm just really excited, guys. But anyways, to start off, March 20th, aka the first day of spring, aka what does it mean again? Basically, first day of spring is usually when all my car people out there, is when people get their cars started, their projects started, planning everything, buying parts and all this stuff. And to do my first video, I know it's kind of weird to say this, but I'm basically doing a parts haul. And basically what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys the parts that I'm buying, why I'm buying it, what it's used for and whatnot. And yeah, just to show you guys what the upcoming weeks are going to be like, what parts am I installing, reviewing, this and that. And like I said, make sure you guys please like, comment, subscribe, just so you guys could keep up to date. I want to interact with you guys, whatnot, and I want to help you guys. And I just hope everyone knows that I am going to be commenting every single comment. I'm not going to leave anyone out unless I forget, because this isn't my main channel. I'm going to be uploading weekly if I can. I don't know if you guys could see how what's it called, how gloomy it is. Obviously you can't really tell because overexposed right there. Just basically me doing weekly videos. Expect the uploads to be from Sunday to Tuesday, unless something happens. That's usually when I'm going to be fixing my car on the weekends, just because I'm working on weekdays. But let's just go ahead and start off with the first part that I bought or have. So the first part that I bought is a 30mm Sage RCA. Basically what RCA stand for is roll center adjusters. And basically what it is, it helps fix geometry suspension. I don't know if you guys ever experienced this. I don't know if this is because of how the car is built, but my Lexus, I've been having a lot of tire replacements. Found out recently it's my camber. I lowered the car, I used to say I'm tucking tire, and it would keep popping. Obviously I got an alignment after. I think camber is like negative 2.5 to 3. But it's still popping. I would raise it up a little bit. The second time the car height was like almost to the tire. I still popped it like more later though. And I raised it up just a little bit more, so it's like a 2-finger gap. And what do you know, it popped again. So I'm getting tired of replacing tires. Please, people, don't make my mistake and just think, okay, lowering it, getting in alignment, blah, 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 it's going to fix everything. No, make sure your suspension is perfect, dialed in, because you're going to be wasting money in the long run. Stupid me. I'm 25 now, so obviously I'm going to learn. I was a younger person, aka like a year or 2 years ago, making stupid decisions, quick decisions, just to get my car running to be cool, and just bit me in the ass. So supposedly it improves handling through increasing of the steering response. Not entirely too sure. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic, but anything to fix my tires popping. So obviously suspension geometry is the reason why I bought it. For anyone that is looking to get RCAs, I recommend doing your research first. I could be wrong. Primarily when I do research, I obviously look for my car. I don't look for like a 1998 to 1999 Lexus GS300 RCA or whatnot. Obviously, I think it's going to be the same thing. So the sizing of the Sage RCAs, the ones that I got are 30 millimeter. I think it only comes with one size. But there's other brands as well, Exact Motorsports, and then I think there's Megan's. But the reason why obviously I got the Sages is because it's cheaper. The reason why I got it is because I found it for a good deal on Craigslist, barely used, rear RCAs and fronts, but different brands. So that will lead me to the next part, which is front RCAs. So the brand that I got for my front roll center adjusters or RCAs is Megan. Supposedly they're good. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not great. A lot of people recommend getting Sage or Exact Motorsports, but I think the Exact Motorsports is more expensive. Let me go ahead and check. So yeah, I mean, Megan's, you know, it's good, it's cheap, it does its work. Obviously, this is suspension parts. You want to be more choosy when it comes to that, but hey, I mean, getting a good deal. I think it was like, how much was it? I think it was $250 for both of them. In total, after tax, calculating everything, I know no one likes to bring out price and all that stuff when it comes to, you know, fixing your cars and whatnot, but just calculating everything, it should generally be like, what? Like almost up to $400 after like buying everything online. So I saved $150 going on Craigslist and whatnot, and lucking out and just getting it. So I'm not too sure if Megan has different sizes, but I know Sage has different sizes. And basically, I don't remember the top of my head, but the front Sage RCA kit has 3 sizes. You have 18 millimeter, 30 millimeter, and 40. And the thing is, when choosing RCAs, especially for the fronts, there's going to be clearance issues. So for the 18 millimeter, according to this website that I'm reading right now, since I don't remember the top of my head, you would need 16 plus wheels for the 18 millimeter front RCA kit. For the 30 millimeter, you can run 16 stock inch wheels, and it allows clearance for the LS400 big brake kit or caliper upgrade or whatever it's called. So, I mean, I know a lot of people like to do that as a cheaper option. So, I mean, it's really up to you guys. I got the 30 millimeter because it obviously matches. Sage rears, like I said, only does come with a 30 millimeter. And then the last one is 40 millimeter Sage front kit. And that, obviously, you can only run 17 plus wheels. So 17 and above for 40, 16 and above for 30. For 18, I forget. Oh, 16 and above, I'm sorry. The reason why I got it is obviously to fix geometry suspension. Same thing. Why would I get like something different? I know there was a picture online on how it works. I'll probably post a picture right here. And if it isn't there, then that means I couldn't find it. I'll probably install it and talk more about it when the weather's nice. And lastly, is a Junction Produce neck pillow. The reason why I got it is because it's cheap. You know, and I feel like just having fronts only makes my car look kind of weird. So I just wanted to go ahead and just match it. I obviously didn't buy it. You guys aren't seeing it because I didn't have any money, but I will buy it this week. I'll probably show you guys when I just review it. Obviously, I'm going to show you guys how to install it, but it's kind of self-explanatory. But hey, you never know when people need help installing small stuff like that, right? Also, if you guys are wondering why am I even bothering reviewing this or even showing you guys, it's because when I first started getting to Lexuses, that's really weird to say, but whatever, I was looking at like how do Lexuses differ from other cars, and obviously that's when I came across VIP. I know a lot of VIP cars or VIP style cars tend to use neck pads. And I was like, dude, that's so dope. It's very luxurious. And I was just like, I can't wait to buy it. So that's the reason why I got it. And I'll probably show you. Obviously, I'm gonna show you guys when I get it. And yeah, you'll be surprised because when I first got it, I was pretty surprised. And yep, that's basically it, guys. The three parts that I got: front RCAs, Megan 30mm, rear RCAs, Sage 30mm, and Junction Produce black and gold lettering for the rears. And hope you guys like my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be sure to talk more in depth about it when I'm installing it with you guys. So catch you guys later, and peace out.